Welcome to ConceptHub, the easiest place to learn tough concepts. Today we begin Class 7 Computer Science Unit 1, ICT Fundamentals.
What is ICT?
Kids, ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. That means sharing and using information through tools like computers, the internet, and mobile phones.
Where do we use ICT?
When you turn off your mobile alarm, make a video call, or watch YouTube, that's all ICT. Mom shops online. We take online classes, all thanks to ICT.
Benefits of ICT in education.
ICT makes learning easier. With smart boards, online classes, and e-books, we can study from anywhere, even from home.
Staying safe online.
But kids, we must use ICT carefully. Don't share passwords, don't click strange links, and always talk to your parents.
Or
Teacher, if something seems wrong.
summary.
Let's revise.
Today we learned what ICT is,
Where it's used, how it helps in education, and how to stay safe while using it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ConceptHub, where learning is made simple, where concepts become clear.